100 years. That translates into 36,525 days, 876,581 hours, 52,452,001 minutes. Throughout Rheem's remarkable history, that's what we've been about. Making every single one of those moments and minutes matter. Working together to deliver leading air and water innovations and make history. Now, as we look to the future, to the all-new moments to come, we couldn't be more excited, more committed to the belief that anything is possible. After all, new moments mean new innovations. The chance to raise more bars, set higher standards, and break new boundaries. New moments mean collaborating on new opportunities, working together to overcome challenges, and forging partnerships that stand the test of time. New moments mean growth, working closely with our colleagues and partners from around the U.S. and across the globe, staying at the forefront of the industry, creating sustainable solutions in heating, cooling, water heating, pool and spa, and refrigeration, with products engineered for quality, for reliability, for life. In 2025, we celebrate 100 years. We raise a glass to all those moments that have mattered, and to all the new moments yet to come. It's been a remarkable run. A true testament to the power of teamwork, partnership, and innovation. And the best part is, we're just getting started.